Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety and legality. This is essential. Verify the exact model, ECU variant, and any warranty or emissions obligations, because modifications can void coverage. Once done, prepare a safe workspace with jack stands, a fire extinguisher, and basic diagnostics, and make sure someone knows your plan. You should also back up the ECU and record baseline performance data so you understand the before state. These steps prevent mistakes and support professional follow-up. Now, evaluate available approaches without diving into stepwise bypasses. You need to understand differences between a remap, piggyback module, or full aftermarket ECU and choose based on reversibility and support. Also recognize why manufacturers set rev limits, protecting rotating assemblies, valvetrain, and emission systems, so you can weigh risk versus reward. Once you have a plan, schedule controlled test conditions, logging, and dyno verification to monitor knock, AFR, and temperatures as you progress. To complete the process safely, engage a qualified tuner to apply calibrated adjustments and validate results on a dyno. This reduces guesswork and protects the engine. If you experience problems, revert to the ECU backup immediately, review knock and sensor logs, and inspect ignition and fueling systems. These checks pinpoint causes. Finally, keep detailed records of changes and compliance steps, and make sure the vehicle meets legal standards. When in doubt, stop and consult a licensed professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.